Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your project in Android Studio and ensuring Gradle is synced so commands work. Once open, choose the module with the signing config and show the Gradle panel. Make sure you know whether you need the debug or release SHA1 because the key store path and alias differ. If you prefer a terminal, you can run KeyTool from the Android Studio integrated terminal. Otherwise, use the built-in signing report task next. Next, generate the SHA1. From the Gradle panel, run the app signing report task and watch the run window for SHA1 entries under each variant. Once done, copy the value for the build variant you need. If you need a release SHA1 or want an alternative, run KeyTool list v keystore path alias in the terminal and enter the keystore password when prompted. Make sure you choose the correct alias and keystore file. Finally, verify the SHA1 by pasting it into the service that requested it and confirm access. Once verified, keep the keystore and password safe for future releases. If you do not see a SHA1, make sure you pointed to the correct keystore, used the right alias, and provided the correct password. Mismatches are the most common issue. If KeyTool is missing or errors out, check your JDK installation, or use the Android Studio built-in signing report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.